Hey there. Yes, this is the avatar version of me today. She's camera ready, and I'm in need of a blowout. But the travel tips, just as real, just as essential. Let me ask you something. Would you hand over thousands of dollars for a trip and just hope nothing goes wrong? If you're over 50, skipping travel insurance is the most expensive mistake you can make. Hi, I'm Robin, luxury travel advisor and insurance specialist for women over 50. And yes, I brought my animated twin along today to walk you through what you really need to know. If you're planning a cruise, a retreat, or that bucket list getaway, here's the truth no one tells you. Travel insurance is not a luxury, it's protection. Medical emergencies, canceled flights, lost luggage, these things happen. But here's what most women don't know. Medicare doesn't cover you outside the US, and many travel policies don't include pre-existing condition coverage unless you add a waiver right away. I've seen women lose thousands simply because they booked their insurance too late, or worse, didn't buy it at all. I always tell my clients, if you can't afford to lose what you paid for the trip, you can't afford to travel without insurance. The good news, you don't have to figure this out alone. I help women find the right travel insurance for their age, trip type, and health needs so they can travel protected and confident. And while we're talking about smart travel planning, let me quickly highlight a few 2025 travel updates that every traveler over 50 should know, because staying informed is part of staying protected. Automatic refunds now apply for domestic delays over 3 hours and 6+ hours for international trips, even on non-refundable tickets. You'll need a real ID or a valid passport to fly within the US starting this spring. The real ID deadline is May 7th, 2025. New systems like ETIAS and EES will require US travelers to register in advance, even if you don't need a visa. ETIAS costs just €7. That's about $8 in the US. Valid for 3 years. Plan ahead to avoid delays. Visa-free travelers in the UK will now need to apply online for a short travel authorization. The rules are changing, and these small details can turn into big surprises if you're not prepared. Want help navigating all this? I created a free travel insurance checklist for women over 50 to walk you through what to ask, when to buy, and how to protect your trip with confidence. You can download it below, and if you like personal help, I'd love to chat. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more smart travel tips, style inspo, and planning confidence for your next chapter. Thanks again for letting my digital twin drop the wisdom today. My next chapter might start at the salon, but yours starts with smart, protected travel. Love forward, travel far, stay inspired.